In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a PDF using ILovePDF. This handy online tool allows you to edit and manipulate PDFs with ease, making it a favorite among those looking to quickly update their documents without the hassle of downloading software. Whether you're doing this for work, school, or personal use, you'll find this process both convenient and efficient. First, let's navigate to the ILovePDF website at ILovePDF.com. That's where all the magic happens. As soon as the page loads, you'll notice a variety of PDF tools available. From merging PDFs to compressing and converting them, there's a tool for almost any need. For today's task, we'll steer our focus toward editing. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to find the All PDF Tools button. It's your gateway to all the different capabilities ILovePDF offers. Click on it and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of options. Now let's click on Edit PDF. This tool is designed specifically to make changes to existing documents and allows you to add text, shapes, and images to your PDF file. It's incredibly user-friendly, which is perfect if you're new to editing PDFs. After selecting Edit PDF, you'll want to click on Select PDF File. This will allow you to upload the PDF you want to edit from your device. Simply browse through your files, pick the right document, and upload it. This step is crucial because without uploading the document first, you won't be able to make any changes or additions. With your PDF now loaded, let's move on to adding the image. Look for the option to add an image and click on it. This feature will enable you to select an image from your computer's files. Choose the image that best suits your needs, and it will automatically be inserted onto the PDF page. Once the image is on the page, you'll want to position it correctly. You can move the image anywhere on the PDF by clicking and dragging. Take your time to place it precisely where you want it to appear. Ensuring the image is correctly positioned is essential for maintaining the document's professional appearance or ensuring the intended message is clear. After you've added and positioned your image, you're ready to finalize the changes. Click on Edit PDF once more to save your work. Finally, to wrap things up, you'll want to download the edited document. Simply click on Download PDF and the updated file will start downloading to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to a PDF file using ILovePDF. With ILovePDF's tools, editing PDFs has never been easier. Hopefully you found this walkthrough helpful and feel more confident in managing your digital documents. Thanks for watching and happy editing.